So finally guys, big breaking news is out. Direct test opportunity up to packages, if I say 25, 35, 40 LPA. Yes, you had it right, which is giant company Adobe, Microsoft, internship, apprenticeship, graduate apprenticeship, trainee role is there, and one more hiring challenge is going on, which is giving you the 8 LPA for fresher, 3 to 8 LP, which is very big hiring. Please watch video till end, otherwise you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. This is the big giant company and you have to understand each and everything. Batches, degrees is not mentioned, and what to put in resume to get the shortlisting mail. Watch video till end. But if you did not watch these two videos, go and check out these video in the channel, and please watch these more videos is there, like Gensar and Deloitte analyst and many more is there. You can easily check out. Go to the video section and please, it hardly take 1 second to like this video. Do subscribe my channel and share my videos with other students also. So big breaking hiring, Alacrity hiring challenge is just announced, and if you see, one hard duration 30-minute test is there and ongoing. This will open on March 13, ठीक है, till March 29. You can easily give any time within time period. One more thing want to tell you, BE BTech Computer Science IT Software Engineering with core Java. If you know full stack Java development, you can easily crack this because RESTful API, Spring Boot, Java databases, ठीक है, यहाँ पे databases होगा, CI/CD pipeline, front end, Angular AI. If you know full stack, then you can easily crack this. So don't waste your time, just hit the apply button. But wait for this. I want to tell you one thing, that suppose there's a direct test opportunity which is है ये जो कि ये direct test opportunity है, but if you crack the assessment, if you see that this is the format, if you crack 20 MCQ, one program solving means programming question, one SQL question, then in round 2 they will select only that candidate in who has these domains in resume, like RESTful API, AWS, core Java, Spring Boot, SQL, NoSQL, CI/CD pipeline, communication, interpersonal skills, Angular AI for front end, GitHub, Agile methodology, SDLC. तो वहाँ पे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगी, 10 लोगों को लिया जाएगा कि राउंड 1 में 10 लोगों ने क्लियर किया असेसमेंट, देन देयर विल बी द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ resume. If there is a these domain in resume, then you will get to see the interview, otherwise they will give you the rejection mail even you clear the round 1. So this is the thing. Tech is tech, what they are asking: Java 21, Spring Boot 3.x, PostgreSQL or no MySQL. Now 0 to 6 year of experience is compulsory, ठीक है. 0 if you are a fresher, ASE role for you, and 3.6 up to 8 LP is the package, and 2, 4 or 4, 6 you can see maximum package is 24. Madhapur, Hyderabad location is there. 0 to 6 year of experience is needed. After round 1 there will be round 2, 1 project question plus 5 descriptive question will be there. Now the thing is, these are the thing you have to put. Means if you are a fresher, this much only they are asking from you, and if you are 2+ year of experience, these things, 4 to 6 these things, ठीक है. तो ये सब चीजें बहुत मेन है, ये सब चीजें ऐड करनी एक एक उठा के. तो यहाँ पर भी देख सकते हो तुम, सेम वही चीज लिखी हुई है. बाकी तुम्हें कुछ रीड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just put these domain which is written here, and here also interpersonal skills, qualification already told you. And if you having any query, read this. This is online challenge, online interview will be there, everything will be conduct online. One more thing keep in mind, this is the makeup bulk hiring, ठीक है. इसका मैं हर वीडियो में, मतलब जैसे जैसे डेट आगे होगी मैं तुम्हें इसमें बता दूंगा कि डेट आ चुकी है, जाके देख लो. अगर आंसर मुझे कहीं से मिलेंगे तो मैं अपलोड करूंगा वीडियो में, और टेलीग्राम में और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पे. तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. नाउ सेकंड हायरिंग, एडोबी जस्ट अनाउंस एसोसिएट टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंट विच इज सेल्स अपॉर्चुनिटी. 0 to 3 year of experience is compulsory. The department is sales, but this is pure technical IT role. If you see that core Java, servlet, JSP, OOPS, HTML, CSS, RESTful API, these are compulsory. And if you see that your responsibilities is also manage support API, third party system troubleshooting, सपोर्ट का रोल होने वाला है. तो दीज आर मैंडेटरी थिंग टू पुट इन रेज्यूमे, और दीज आर ऑल्सो मैंडेटरी बिकॉज ओनली बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फैमिलियरिटी इज ओनली they are asking. Bachelor degree BE BTech only, computer science IT software engineering branch only is eligible. Now the thing is, if you have 3 year of experience, then internship of project work count होगा. If you are a fresher, you can easily give your project work. So please put these domain in resume. This is the big giant company, and package is also very high or huge, maybe 25-30 LPA. So what you have to do, just put these domain which is already written in the black बोल्ड लेटर, क्योंकि हाईलाइट ही किया गया है, क्योंकि यही चीज़ है. ATS देखेगा तुम्हारी, जावा देखेगा, एडोबी एक्सपीरियंस मैनेजर, कर दो मेंशन, शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हो गई, तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग है। प्लीज पुट जीरा जेनकिंस ऑल्सो, दिस इज normal domain if you are going for a technical consultant or support role. So please put these domain in resume and get the shortlisting mail. One more thing, Noida location is there, you can easily take referral if you have a good connection in LinkedIn, but don't waste time because this is absolutely for freshers. Applied as soon as possible. So Microsoft just announced a big mass hiring software engineering internship. This is not for grads, this is for pursuing candidates. If you see pursuing candidate BE, BTech, ME, MTech only in computer science, IT, software engineering must have at least one semester term remaining following the completion of the internship. It means 26 batches eligible. If you check 1 year of programming experience in an object oriented language, this is not compulsory, this is optional. So the position will be open for a minimum of 5 days with applications accepted on an ongoing basis until the position is filled. ठीक है, applied ASAP. But the thing is, what we have to do, see, fully on site है, job number is also there, you can easily take referral. From yesterday, day after yesterday, they posted this post, less than 25 traveling is there, means work from home plus office is also there. So this is an internship and this is the big bulk hiring we can say if you crack the interview or assessments. So please put computer science fundamental, DSA algorithm is very compulsory, otherwise you can't crack even an online assessment. So please support all these domain and please click on apply now as soon as possible. This is the officially career page of Microsoft. Please apply it because already they told minimum of 5 days. ठीक है, 5 दिन के लिए ओपन है, applied as soon as possible. Already यहाँ पे 2 दिन हो चुके हैं। ठीक है, जल्दी अप्लाई करो प्लीज, इसके लिए अप्लाई करो। Volvo just announced grad apprenticeship trainee. Bangalore location is there, but the thing is data analyst role is there, which is very good hiring, and bachelor degree in mathematics, data science, computer science is compulsory. Data science or similar role if you having, you can easily put, but if you are a fresher you can easily apply. Data analysis tools is compulsory. Put all these tool in resume to get the shortlisting mail. The thing is, put interpersonal skills also. Now the main thing I want to tell you that these are your responsibilities to collect, manage. अभी ये काम करो कि put one project in resume and put all these lines, these data analysis, reporting, these all 5 points put in resume, means put in the project section after project name. Now what you have to do, just update your resume for all 4 opportunities and apply it as soon as possible. And please do subscribe my channel, like this video, it hardly take 4-5 seconds to do this. If you did not watch yet these videos, go and check out these videos. And please, if you're having any query, just comment down. Thanks for watching.